Indians can now finally plan a trip to the Maldives as the island nation announced to open its borders to South Asian countries, including India. President Mohammad Solih said that the government would review the situation periodically. The island is considered to be one of the most favorite tourist destinations among Indians. According to the Maldives Ministry of Tourism, people arriving in the country need to procure negative RT-PCR reports, which should not be more than 96 hours old before their arrival. Meanwhile, resorts and travel agents have seen an uptick in demand as queries pour in for traveling to this popular tourist destination. The Canadian government has also eased travelling restrictions for tourists. However, direct flights from India would remain suspended till August 21st. Indians can visit Canada through connecting flights. Travellers must be fully vaccinated against COVID-19 at least 14 days before entering the country. The vaccines must be authorized to use in Canada. Pfizer, BioNTech, AstraZeneca or Covishield and Johnson & Johnson vaccines are allowed in the country. Those who are planning to travel to Canada without being inoculated will have to quarantine themselves at a hotel for 3 days. All the travelers arriving in the country must upload their proof of vaccination on Arrive CAN portal. Germany health agency Robert Koch Institute has finally lifted its ban on travelers from India, Nepal, Russia, Portugal and United Kingdom. Tourists who have been inoculated with both doses of a COVID-19 vaccine would not be required to isolate themselves on their arrival in Germany. The development came after Germany allowed non-vaccinated travelers from various countries to visit the country for tourism purposes. However, there are only a few places including hotels, museums, galleries and zoos that are currently opened in Germany. The government of Egypt has announced that it would allow fully vaccinated travelers to visit the country without taking the RT-PCR test. However, the travelers must be vaccinated with WHO-approved vaccines such as Sputnik, Pfizer-BioNTech, AstraZeneca, Moderna, Sinopharm, Sinovac and Johnson & Johnson. Travelers also should carry certificates as proof of vaccination. The country has started to ease COVID-19 restrictions in June to attract visitors this year. Turkey is one of the popular destinations among Indian travelers. The Turkish government is now allowing tourists to visit the country. However, all the travelers have to undergo mandatory 14-day institutional quarantine. Only if you are tested negative, you will be allowed to leave the facility. All restaurants, bars and other dining options would be operational without any restrictions. Even the night curfews have been eased for locals and tourists. Switzerland has now permitted tourists to visit the country without the negative COVID-19 test report. All the vaccinated and non-vaccinated travelers are required to provide their contact details. The Swiss government has announced that shops, leisure, sporting activities and water parks would reopen with necessary COVID-19 protocols. The government will issue COVID-19 certificates for vaccinated people to visit nightclubs, dance events or any other major events. France has eased travel restrictions for travelers who are fully vaccinated. According to French Tourism Minister Jean-Baptiste Lemoyne, people traveling to and fro the country will not have to provide any certificate, but the travelers must be administered both doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. Several museums and cinemas have reopened in the country with a limited capacity. Restaurants, bars and cafes are allowed to serve at outside tables until the curfew time. A maximum of 6 persons would be allowed per table. However, other sites such as Disneyland Paris is open for visitors with pre-booked tickets and everyone would be required to keep their masks on. Greece is considered to be one of the biggest tourist attractions in Europe. The country has finally opened for tourists amid the COVID-19 crisis. All travelers who are planning to visit Greece must produce COVID-19 vaccination or negative test report. The Greek authorities have permitted cafes, restaurants to reopen with COVID-19 protocols. All the ferry services in the country will be allowed to function at 50% capacity. However, all the tourists will mandatorily have to wear masks while traveling in the country. Spain is one of the most popular tourist spots for Indians, but if you are planning to visit the country, you must undergo a 10-day quarantine upon arrival. All travelers entering Spain must fill a health control form proving that they have no symptoms of the infection. Even though places like Prado Museum, monuments, and exhibitions are open for visitors, the number of travelers allowed at one time has been capped. All travelers are obliged to wear masks.